Hi student, this is Arogya ma'am from Maxinol அனைத்திலும் கணிதம். Term 2, Unit 2 Numbers, Part 3. In this video, we are going to learn about multiple, then common multiple, from that least common multiple, that is LCM, and prime and composite numbers. So just watch carefully and it's easy to understand. Factors and multiples. Yes. So far we have learnt about the factors, isn't it? So now we are going to find the multiples. Multiples means, so tables la questions la factors nu சொன்னோம் இல்லையா? So answers are the multiples. அப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். ஓகேவா? As it is. See here. So these are the factors. Am I right? Okay. Then answers. This is the multiples of 1, right? Multiples of 1 and 2, 3, 4, that's the answer. And multiples of 2, these are the answers. இதான் நம்ம skip counting னு படிச்சிருப்போம். Skip counting of 2 அப்படினா 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 going on. Okay. Then multiples of 3, this is the answer. Multiples of 4 and multiples of 5. So not only this table, whatever table என்ன நம்பர் கொடுக்குறாங்களோ அதோட multiples தான் நம்ம ஆன்சர் எழுதணும். ஓகேவா? So as I mentioned you, isn't it? 5 and 4 are the factors னு சொன்னோம். Then 20 is the multiples of what? 4 and also 5. Is it clear now? Okay. So we have to find out the try this sum also ma. So இப்போ நமக்கே தெரியும் இல்லையா? பார்த்தாலே தெரியும் 5, 10, 15 இருக்கு. That means multiples of 5, isn't it? So what will be the next answer? Good. 20, right? Then 25, 30, 35, 40, that's it. Up to 40 only there is the dash. So up to that we can enter. So multiples, now you get an clearance. So common multiples. Yes, as it is. Factors க்கு எப்படி common factors கண்டுபிடிச்சோமோ அதே மாதிரி இதுலயும் multiples க்கு common multiples கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். So the multiples that are common to two numbers are their common multiples. Least common multiple அதுலயே எது சின்னதோ அதை தான் நம்ம least common multiple எழுத போறோம். ஓகேவா? I'll give the example. Multiples of 2. See here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, isn't it? So இதுல வந்து difference 2 தான் இருக்கும். ஏன்னா multiples of 2. அதே மாதிரி multiples of 3 லையும் difference என்னவா இருக்கும்? 3 தான். அதாவது 3 க்கும் 6 க்கும் நடுவுல 3 numbers are there. Right? Okay. See here. இதுல பாத்தீங்கனாலே தெரியும் 6 is the common multiple and 12 also one more common multiple. அப்படியே இது இந்த tables extend ஆகி போயிட்டே இருந்துச்சுன்னா we can find out more multiples. Okay. But இதுல எது least? எது smallest? Good. 6, isn't it? That is the least common multiple. Right? Hope you understand. Okay. இப்போ புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Factorsல highest கேட்கும்போது அப்ப பெருசுன்னு ஞாபகம் வச்சுப்பீங்க. Least common multiple. Multiplesல எது சின்னதோ least, that is smallest. Okay? Fine. So ரெண்டுக்கும் குழப்பம் இல்லாம factors mean first இருக்கக்கூடிய questions தான் வரும். Multiples mean tablesல இருக்கக்கூடிய answers ஞாபகம் வச்சு எழுத ட்ரை பண்ணணும். மாத்தி எழுதிடக்கூடாது. ஓகேவா? Do you know each number is the first multiple of that number? So this what I have mentioned you already. See and the multiples of 2 ல பாருங்க 2 is the same number, isn't it? So அதுதான் first வரும்னு சொல்றாங்க. There is a relation between the multiples and multiplication table of the number. So that's what I explained with you, isn't it? Already I mentioned you. So okay. Try this. Find LCM, second sum, 8 and 6. So now we are going to find the LCM. So listen carefully. LCM. So M for multiples. So இங்க multiples தான் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? So 8 ஓட multiples and 6 ஓட multiples கண்டுபிடிச்சு அதில் காமன் என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Then least என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். See here. Here is the answer. Multiples of 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 is 16, 8 is 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, and it's going on. Likewise, sixth table answer, multiples of 6, right? So now we can check it. What are the common multiples here? 8 is no, there is no 8, 16 also not here. Yes, got it. 24. 24 is the common multiple. Am I right? Okay. இதுக்கு அப்புறமும் இருக்கும், but we need the least common multiple only, isn't it? So 24 is the correct answer. Am I right? Okay. Third sum, 4 and 10. Here also we are going to find the LCM. That means first let us see the multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 to the 8, 4 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, and it's going on. Likewise, multiples of 10 ma, like this we have to write and then find the common multiples, right? So 20 is the first common multiple, so that is the least common multiple. Hope you understand. Okay, try this LCM of 6 and 16. Let us see the multiples of 6 ma. Yes, so these are the answers for multiples of 6 and multiples of 16. So it's hard only, but if you write and get the practice only, it will be familiar for you. Okay, நீங்க எழுதி எழுதி practice பண்ணும் பொழுது தான் அந்த டேபிள்ஸும் மனப்பாடாகும், நமக்கும் ஈஸியா தெரியும். Otherwise இவ்வளோ நம்பரா இவ்வளோ எழுதணுமான்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா sure it's not possible. So try to write and check yourself. Okay, so now it's easy, isn't it? So from here we are going to find out the common multiple first. Yes, only 48 is the first common multiple, isn't it? So that is the least common multiples. Hope you understand. Very good, children. Think it. Can we say the highest common multiples for two numbers? So what are they asking? So far we have found out the least common multiples only. Am I right? Okay, but here they are asking highest. Is it possible? இருக்கதுலே பெரிய multiples சொல்ல முடியுமா? No, sure it's not possible. That means no, we cannot say the highest common multiple, only LCM. So least common multiple தான் நம்மளால கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். ஓகேவா? Now prime and composite numbers. Let us see the definition first. Prime number, a natural number greater than 1 having only two factors, namely 1 and the number itself, is called a prime number. So what are they saying? Usually we go to hotel and order 1 dosa or 2 dosa, isn't it? So that is nature. So I'll give an example. Yes, 1 5 are 5. So now for 5, 1 and 5 are the factors. Am I right? So only two factors are there. There is no other number to multiply to get 5. So 5 வேணும்னா நமக்கு 1 5s are தான் போட்டாகணும். வேற எந்த நம்பர் ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி நமக்கு 5 கிடைக்காது. கிளியரா? ஸோ இவங்க அதை தான் சொல்றாங்க, கிரேட்டர் தேன் 1. 1 விட்டுட்டு அதுக்கு மேல உள்ள நம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா அதுல 1ஆல மட்டும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி கிடைக்கக்கூடிய ஆன்சர்ஸ் தான் பிரைம் நம்பர்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? ஸோ 2 factors must be there. அதை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ரெண்டு ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் தான் இருக்கணும். See in that natural numbers, 4 எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா 1 4s are also will become and 2 2s are also 4. So அப்ப அங்க 3 factors கிடைக்குது, right? So 4 is not a prime number. Clear? So one more example, this one. So 1 7s are. So 7 is also a prime number, right? Now come to the composite number ma. As I mentioned you already, isn't it? 1 4s are also 4 and 2 2s are also 4. Now come here, 12. For 12, 1 12s are, 2 6s are, one more is there. Yes, 3 4s are also 12. So for 12, we have 6 factors. Now you can understand, I think. இப்போ புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ரெண்டு factors இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது வந்து prime number. More than 2 factors means sure it comes under composite number. Activity 6. Complete the following factor tree. So now you can understand about the factors and the prime factors. That's very important here. See, look at the first example. 16 is splitted into 4 and 4, isn't it? 4 4s are 16. அதுதான் அப்படி பிரிச்சு போட்டிருக்காங்க. So once again 4 வந்து 2 2s are. இங்க இன்னொரு 4ஐயும் 2 2s are பிரிச்சுட்டாங்க. Clear-ஆ? அதாவது prime factors வர்ற வரைக்கும் we have to split that number. Clear? Okay. Come to the second sum. 40 is splitted into 10 and what to be multiplied? 4. So 10 4s are then 40. So 4 போட்டுக்கலாம். Right? Okay. Now we have to split again. So 4 as usual 2 2s are. இல்லையா? நம்ம இப்பதானே பார்த்தோம். Okay. But 10 எப்படி பிரிக்கலாம்? 1 10s are போடக்கூடாது. Because 10 திருப்பியும் 10 is not a prime number. அதை திருப்பி split பண்ணும். அதனால 2 5s are 10. அதை எடுத்துப்போம். Okay. Now come to 36. Already splitted into 4 and 9. So it's easy now. 2 1 2. Isn't it? Okay. But for 9, 3 3s are. Am I right? Because 3 is also a prime number ma. So 1 ஆல மட்டும்தான் multiply பண்ண முடியும். Okay. Now come to 70. 70 is 7 10s are 17 பிரிக்கலாம். Okay va? Okay. Once again 10 already we have done, isn't it? So 2 5s are 10. Come to 18. So 18 are 118. 3 6 are also 18. 2 9s are also 18. இங்க ஒரு boxல 2 கொடுத்திருக்கனால we can fill that 9. So 9 we know that 3 3s are, isn't it? So it's easy now. So come to 28. Yes, 4 7s are 28. அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிறதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி தான் மாத்தணும். So 4 திருப்பி as usual 2 2s are னு பிரிச்சலாம். So it's easy now. Hope you understand. In this video, I try to make you understand, I think. If you have any doubt, ping me or ring me. மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு.
Like a Hellcat.